of supervisors after Harvey was assassinated. Harry carried on Harvey's tradition of progressive and courageous leadership, especially as San Francisco confronted the most grave crisis in our community's history, the HIV/AIDS epidemic. With budget cuts to critical services, threats to the transgender community, and rampant political corruption, it can feel like we are returning to some of those horrible times. And yet, I am reminded of what both Harvey and Harry epitomized. Each person's ability to make change in their own unique way. That is what Guy Clark, this year's winner of the Harry Ritter Award, represents. Known to his neighbors, customers, and followers as the Flower Man, Guy has run a flower stand at the corner of 15th and Noe Street since 1981. For over 4 decades, he has steadfastly served his Castro neighborhood and the LGBTQ community in good times and bad. Whether or not we were aware of his many contributions, Guy has been a beacon for those seeking out his lovely flowers for joy, celebration, and beautification. He has also been there for us during our saddest times to honor and mourn those we have lost. He made sure our events, whether in sadness or celebration, reflected the love, respect, dignity, and spirit of our LGBTQ community. In a 2019 KQED interview, Guy shared that during the 1980s and 90s, men would often approach him after losing a partner to AIDS to ask him if he'd help them arrange the flowers for the funeral. Guy's response was, "We'll pull out all the stops. We'll make sure your lover gets to the other side with dignity and beauty." After that, Guy could be found providing flowers from one funeral after the next, after the next, after the next. Guy says he began giving away flowers for funerals weekly for those who could not afford them, while also joining the local community in organized acts of resistance and activism. Guy's own version of giving back to his community has fed our spirits, soothed our pain, and enlivened our victories, celebrations, and protests. In his own quiet and humble way, he has ensured our community feels loved and respected, one flower at a time. We know great change can come from a small city businessman with a camera store who sought to get people woke, or from a former married Methodist pastor. That's why I am so pleased, on behalf of the Harvey Milk lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, plus Democratic. To honor and celebrate Guy the Flower Man Clark for sharing his vision of change with our community. Guy has been an outstanding small merchant, good neighbor, community activist, aid supporter, and wise elder throughout generations of change in the Castro district of San Francisco. For nearly 4 decades, Guy has provided our community with flowers. Tonight, we are proud to give him his flowers.